Control number 41595, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Sir Madam. I am Mary Jean Abella Salud, 40 years old, single. I have 4 kids, 18 years old, 17 years old, 10 years old, and 8 years old. I have 3 brothers and 5 sisters. I am the youngest of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am high school graduate at the Batangas Stern Academy.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to secure the future of my kids.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes,
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
yes. I'm working before in the Qatar from 2000 to 2016 to 2021 as a domestic helper.
What can you do for elderly?
Give bath, change diaper, prepare medicine and foods.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes,
What can you do for babies?
give bath, changing diaper, feeding, play with them.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I can cook like Chinese food, like chop suey, steamed fish, and vegetables.
Describe yourself as a housemaid.
I am honest, responsible, and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I will say sorry and apologize.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship and they treat me like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear good Sir Madam, if you choose me, I will do my best and I promise that I finish my contract. Thank you and God bless you.